am K. Bhavyashri from 3rd CSCA, team leader of batch number 11. I am here to present our community service project titled Automated Poultry House Management with a focus on automated lighting and climate control for poultry farms. This project aims to solve real problems faced by small-scale poultry farmers. Now let me take you through our week 1 review presentation. In our user research, we visited a poultry farm in Motaranganapalli and interacted with the farmer Mr. K. Muraleshwar Reddy. We asked questions, took photos and videos and measured the poultry house. We also noted temperature, humidity, lighting and bird behavior. From this we learned that farmers struggle to maintain proper conditions. They spend too much money on electricity because fans and heaters are used manually. Also, irregular lighting reduces egg production. From empathy mapping, the farmer said electricity cost is too high and birds don't grow in heat. He thinks a system that saves energy is needed. He feels worried about bird health and he currently switches fans and lights manually multiple times a day. This clearly shows the problem. Our project is called Automated Poultry House Management with a focus on automated lighting and climate control. It is a smart and energy efficient system designed to improve growth and egg production. This project addresses the urgent need for better environmental control in small poultry farms. By using affordable technology, we can provide a practical solution that improves bird welfare and increases farmer profitability. The title reflects both the problem, which is uncontrolled climate and lighting, and the solution, which is an automatic smart system. Poultry farming is highly sensitive to environmental conditions. Even small changes in temperature, humidity, or lighting directly affect bird growth, health, and egg production. If the conditions are not consistent, birds face stress, diseases, and this leads to financial losses for the farmer. The purpose of our project is to design a low-cost system using Arduino or ESP32 to maintain ideal conditions in chicken houses, especially for small farmers. Our main objectives are to monitor real-time temperature, humidity, and light levels, automatically control fans, heaters, and lights, reduce electricity bills by efficient operation, and improve bird health and egg yield. Our initial problem draft was that farmers face losses because of poor climate control and irregular lighting schedules. Manual monitoring is also inefficient and small farmers cannot afford advanced solutions. From our field visit and farmer interview, we confirmed that these issues are real as farmers complained about high electricity bills and low productivity. The refined problem statement is small farms lack affordable automated systems for climate and lighting control, leading to poor bird conditions, higher energy use, and lower productivity. This refined version highlights three key aspects: bird welfare and energy efficiency and productivity. It is also measurable because we can track temperature, humidity, and egg count before and after using the system. Our team held brainstorming sessions. We used whiteboards, sketches, and discussions to create solutions. We generated about 10 ideas such as solar powered integration, IoT applications, smart feeders, and advanced climate control systems. We also made sketches of poultry houses with sensor placements and mind maps that connected farmer challenges to technological solutions. This helped us see which ideas were most practical. To select the best idea, we applied criteria such as cost effectiveness, ease of prototyping, direct benefit to the farmer, and animal safety. We needed a solution that is affordable, easy to build with our resources, gives clear benefits, and does not harm the poultry. Based on this, we chose automated lighting and climate control. This solution provides immediate impact on bird growth and egg production, while also being feasible and affordable to build as a prototype. To conclude, our project directly addresses a real problem faced by small poultry farmers. By automating lighting and climate control, we can reduce electricity costs, improve bird health, and increase productivity. Thank you.